Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and unique centerpieces ideas about Christmas which is very helpful for your home decor. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos and share my video also. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy.